farm equipment and crop storage sheds. Again, totally 600 square meters. You can build only on 200 square meters. And everybody has to have set individual entrances without passing through anybody's room. It is marked that I am saying room. But I mean the sense of having my own entry should be there. Third one is a family which is diversifying and specializing into specialized farming, greenhouse cultivation, tissue culture and nursery. So they are specialists, they are not doing ordinary farming only. Farm technology specialists, so they also advise people on what kind of tractor to buy. They might be having some spare parts, they might be going and repairing things, they might have machines for hire, like that. That family, the first group is a widowed matriarch, 78, and daughter, son-in-law, children, girls 9 and 7 and boy 13. Owns the property and has educated all the sons. This woman, she owns the property and she has educated everybody. And her daughter is the likely next inheritor of the property. And so they are staying there together. Then there are 4 other units, 3 sons and 1 daughter. Each one given 1 unit. 3 sons and 1 daughter have each been given similar accommodation to live with their families. 2 brothers and the sister are married and have children, and 1 is a bachelor. And their units are 75 square meters each, so that's total of 300 square meters. They have a staff who is a lab and greenhouse technician, and he has a family, so he needs 50 square meters of space. They have 150 square meters of greenhouse, lab and storage and a small office. This is 650 square meters. So that may be second one, not very well. Fourth one, family becomes involved in education and in advisory, specialized training activities, communication, insurance and business support facilities. So somebody might start a tuition class, then they have NIT computer classes, then they have various things that they teach to the village children, then they start up a visa agency for going to Australia. All of those things. In villages also it is happening, and it will be, this family is specialized in that kind of activity. So they have this agricultural property, but they are now into this stuff. The father, 70, is retired professor of mathematics, interested in astronomy and astrology. It's 100 square meters, his house. He's alone. Then daughter, 40, well educated, blogger with many contacts. So she has friends all over the world. She has a small unit, 75 square meters. Son, 35, educated as a computer programmer, has a fiancée in Chennai studying management. Ultimately, of course, they'll get married if all goes well. 75 square meters. And then they have they have a caretaker and a cook, each with 50 square meters of space. They need an office space, a classroom, a seminar room and toilet facilities for those who are coming to the classes. That total is about 150 square meters. And they have guest spaces for visiting people. Some friend comes, or somebody whom they invite to come and give a special lecture, something like that. That is 2 into 50 square meters, double bedded, etc. So again, that is 600 square meters. Okay. So each one of you will take up one of these. You have to agree with your 4 other people. So now we have how many people in the class?
41.
41. So there is one bunch in which there will be 5, and they will be doing 2 houses of one time.
Later on.
Huh? It can be done, it's okay. That farming type family, ya to that service family, you take household 1 or 2, I mean property 1 or 2 as a repeat. Okay. Now, this house or this set of houses, this large household, this family dwelling, this place for Mr. Nagaraj, Mr. What names? Muthuswamy, Srinivas, Rajat. That is the first name, and he is a Maharashtrian by the way. Anyway, there are 4 families. You will give them a name each. But you will take up one family. You will be architect for one family. And they have given you till tomorrow evening. The clients they have come, to Ahmedabad from all the way there. The train bookings were not available. So they have given only 1 day. In 1 day, they expect you to produce a block model unit only at 1:100 and a block side model at 1:200, which is 4 students side by side, and a sketch design drawing showing plans, layouts at all levels and sections at 1:100. You will think you will be able to do it, or you want to let the fees go? What do you want to do? You want to let the clients go? You will arrange If you can't arrange it, then I can do it. Okay, let us say she was able to arrange some Tatkal booking for Thursday evening. So we will finish all this. On Thursday morning, we have to do the presentation to the client. Morning. 10 o'clock. 10:45. I know, nowadays it is 11. 11 o'clock, it will all be pinned up. And each group, the clients will come and discuss. We will invent a few clients. Okay? Is that fine? Now, you have to work with a basic sense of understanding. All of us know how to make houses. All of us know how it is to live in a house. There is nothing new, nothing unknown to you. Don't start thinking that you are doing something very difficult. It's something very straightforward. There are 3 family groups. I mean, within that family, you can imagine some of the tensions and things that will be happening also. Some fights sometimes. This child is not giving tricycle to the other child, and then there will be a fight, mothers will fight. That kind of thing, of course, will keep on happening. Those are very important spaces in our families. We also want to tell everybody that we are very good people, so we have So there will be, you'll think about the house like a human being, not like an architect. Where you will think like an architect is that this is being built out of brick and the plot is big. So there are certain limitations to what you can do with brick, but it also makes your life very simple. Brick and maybe a little bit of wood is available. It doesn't matter. We are not asking you to give us drawings of how it is constructed, what the roof is like, nothing like that. We want only basic plans and sections which show this is how the three families live together and their servants live there and their workspaces are there and the rest of it is farm. And this is how the water from the kitchen can go into the farm. Yeah, that's what happens. Actually, it goes into the banana plantation. And then the bananas grow very well because there is some nutritious water coming from the kitchen. Yeah, you've never grown bananas like that. It's very interesting. So, do it with full freedom. There is no restriction. All the restriction is about what the family needs and how much area can be. More than that, there is no restriction. Yes, plot dimension. Also, we are in Nallu, so climate is similar to what we have already experienced, but we were there in winter. In summer, it gets very hot. But then, if you are in a shaded place, it's pretty cool, as long as there is a little bit of breeze. Quickly, one of the things that you might want to do is to have a photograph of your family and families, if you like. Huh? This is the grandfather. So on. If you like, you can do that. You can make a little board. It should be within an A4 size. Tiny photos. I don't want both these to be filled up with this. Or A3 at the most. Shall we say A3? If you want to make it, just to give you a sort of something that is always looking at you when you are designing. You need somebody to check what you are designing. Say, no, this is not according to what I want. The other thing is, every time when we finish this, you will make a postcard you will send. Because that client, unfortunately the train was little early. So they went away. And there will be a postcard in which you will tell what you have done. That will be later, after you come, not by Thursday. Thursday we are still hoping that the train doesn't go away. But Thursday will come to know that the train didn't go. I will went, and those people went on that train. They said, "The hell with this architect, we will find somebody in Nallu itself." So organize yourselves now in the, what did I say at the beginning of the lecture? What do intelligent human beings do? Find the easiest way of doing something. And not the most complicated. Go to the class, go to the studio now. You have no questions, no? Any questions, comments? Questions? Is this all understood well? We'll give you the printed version, of course. Anything? In this or in the any of the other conditions that we have set just now?
What material?
Brick is available. And whatever materials you need are available. For the time being, let us keep it like that. We are not really worried about material. We are worried about how people will live in that house. What will children do? What will elderly people do? What will the man who wants to show that he is a very powerful person? and the young man who doesn't agree with his family most of the time, and all that kind of thing.
And the side, we don't have any trees or anything, there is a...
No, there is only the rice field is there right now. Rice field is there. Trees you will plant. Trees we will plant as soon as we have made the house, we are agreed on house, then you plant the trees. So it is 1:500 scale, 200 scale. So it will be how big? 45 centimeters by 18 centimeters. So it will be like about this size. Each one of you will put your tiny little grids. It will be how much? 9 meters at 200 will be about that much wide. So it will be a small thing like that. 200 square meters mein banana ka land you cannot turn more than unless you do like this. If you do long one like that, it will be divided by 90. It will be 2.2 meters width it will become. You occupy land like this. If you occupy land like this and you completely make it solid, then it will be 9 in 200 will be 22 meters. 22. 9 by 22. Then if you leave some courtyards, I don't know. And there are many ways in which to think about it. Any other questions? Site model 4 जन में बेगा बनाओ. 4 who are working on 4 houses, and in one case there will be 5, so they will make with 5. Questions? Okay, the other thing is that your house sheets have to be uploaded on Sanity. So today we will start that project and you can upload, we'll check and grade those sheets. And I also want all of them to be pinned up in class. Whatever you have done, put it at the top of your desk or make one continuous strip. Many of you put your drawings side by side so that any time you are walking around in the class, you see only houses. Yeah, this will be a museum of houses. Not museum. It will be a mela, a bazaar of houses. 40 into 4, 160 houses will be available at the end. Okay.
Between 2 plots there is a wall.
There is a wall. Once in a while, if you want to make a door, it requires some very careful agreement between. You see, people have daughters, sons, etc. Also cows. No, in the Swahili villages in Kenya, there is a small village, town called Lamu, very famous town. And there, the houses had one door at the back, and which opened into a back lane. And it seems that there was lot of illicit relations. And this was sort of accepted, and that door was provided in the houses. Not on the main street, but that is something which may develop over a period of time. But right now we are in Nallu. It's a very well-behaved town. Okay, so we'll be in studio, but I'll review the program.